Hello everyone, this is my review of this Tatir stainless steel steamer pot for several weeks now, and it has become an indispensable part of my kitchen routine. The stainless steel construction not only ensures durability, but also provides even heat distribution, making cooking more efficient. The special polishing technology gives it a sleek finish that's easy to clean and resistant to iron chip adhesion. The two-tier design is perfect for preparing meals for 3 to 7 people. I could steam vegetables in the upper tier while cooking rice or soup in the bottom pot simultaneously. Beyond steaming, I've used the bottom pot as a standalone stock pot for soups and stews. The versatility is truly commendable. The curved lid provides extra cooking space, and the vented glass allows me to monitor the food without lifting the lid. The handles are ergonomically designed, making it easy to move the pot without the risk of burns. While the lightweight design makes it easy to handle, it can feel a bit less sturdy compared to heavier duty pots. However, this hasn't affected its performance in my experience. I highly recommend it, and I hope this review helps.